Have you ever made love all night long? She said she wanna make egg love.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to be blowing drying my hair and I'm going to give myself a trim. I bought the Revlon blow dry brush that I've seen like everybody talking about on TikTok, and I'm excited to use it, but I'm a little scared because I was looking at reviews, everybody's saying it worked great, blah 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 blah. I ordered it. Then I started seeing bad reviews saying that it gives you heat damage. I didn't know which one to get because you know they have the brush one and then they have the round brush one. I ordered the round brush one. And I got this off Amazon. It's gonna be linked in my storefront. I ordered it yesterday and it came yesterday, like within a few hours. So I'm like, okay, Amazon. But my hair is freshly washed and conditioned. I don't have anything else on my hair. I'm gonna put some I'm gonna show you other products I'm gonna put on my hair, but I use the Kinky Curly Cum Clean and then my Red Canal Soft shampoo and conditioner. So that's all I did. I washed it out and now I'm about to just do it. So before I do into the video, make sure you are liking, commenting, subscribing. If you watched a few of my videos and you've liked them, but you haven't subscribed yet, so what are you doing? I'm gonna give you a few seconds. Okay, let's go ahead and get into it. So like I was saying, I didn't know if I should get this one or like the brush one. And I've seen a lot of reviews saying that the brush one, you can't really get your roots straight. And so I decided to get this one. So let's open it up. Oh, I bought some new heat protectant. So I bought the Kenra Platinum Blow Dry Spray. And then I also bought the Silkening Gloss. So but honestly, I think this is for like flat ironing your hair, which I'm not doing. All right, yeah, my hair is detangled. I'm about to put the blow dry spray. One drop. Okay, hopefully that wasn't a mistake. Okay. And I'm gonna do a section smaller than this because I don't know how big of a section I should do. I'm gonna do half. I think it's doing a pretty good job. Whew, look at them ends. horrible. Okay. Yeah, it's doing a really good job. Let me do this side. I'm gonna come back when I'm doing the front. This looking like. So far, I like it. Let's see how it does the front. That's what I'm really curious about. Make sure I get the front of my hair. Also, I really want that blow dryer that like you put it like sucks your hair. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't know the name of it. I think it might be Revlon as well. But it's like huge and then it like sucks and then like blow dries your hair, just like sucking it. But that's out of my pay range, pay grade, whatever you want to call it. So that's why I bought this one. Y'all see that look? Wait, me. Are you kidding? Ugh. This is your sign to buy this and also to buy these. The only thing is that I can definitely see why this would give you heat damage, because it's like this, the plastic part on the inside gets really hot. Like I touched it on accident and it burnt. And then look at my ear, red. This one I haven't, but look at that. When it's on and you touch it, yeah, it's hot. I don't know how hot it's getting, but it does get hot. But there is a low setting. I wish there was like a low, it's like low, wait, it's off, cool, low, and then high. I wish they had a medium setting in between there too, because it gets really hot. So far my hair feels super soft and it's doing a good job of like getting my roots. It's not doing the best job, but, or maybe that's just user error. I'm still trying to get a hold, like, hang of this, but you know, love it so far. And it's only like $40, so. Okay, I just wanted to give y'all a quick review. I really like the blow dryer. So the pros, that it did blow dry my hair quicker than usual. It was a lot easier to blow dry my hair because right now I just have like the comb attachment, which takes forever and it's annoying and it always pops off. So that is definitely a pro for me, that it was easier to use. Also, I guess like the size of it, that the fact that it's bigger, I was able to work in bigger sections, which I think cut down how long it took me to blow dry my hair. So that's definitely a plus.
Y'all, buy it. Like I said, there is some hair in here, and it's not like broken hair, it's like full pieces of hair. So my hair is so soft. Like, look at the shine. But all right, y'all, anything I use in this video will be linked down below, either in my Amazon storefront or something like that. Well, actually everything will be linked in my Amazon storefront. I'll see if they have the Kenra products on Amazon, but I did get them from Ulta. Let me know if y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're gonna if you have it and your thoughts on it, and let me know if you're gonna purchase it if you haven't tried it yet.
But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I'm sending you love and positive energy, and I hope you carry that with you throughout your day. Peace.